Hello everyone from Tony the Scout Ghost. So I just received this big package from Amazon and it contains inside some gifts that I bought to myself using the money that you patrons have given me. So thanks a lot for supporting me in giving you a better service in what I do. So let's explore together what I bought to improve the coolness of my channel. Okay, so let's use the scissors and let me open it. So last time I bought a new camera, the one that I'm using now that has better resolution than the integrated camera on my laptop. And this time instead I have, okay, first of all a USB hub, but this is not that relevant, it is to help me because I need some more USB ports for my laptop. Then this is more interesting, a new microphone so that you can hear me better with less noise and other stuff. And new light stand so that I can have better lighting when using myself. Okay, so let's open these gadgets. Let's start on this one. It's not a true unboxing video, just a fun video to show what I bought. And it's, let's see what is inside. So the lamp, a stand, and I guess here there is some kind of mount for the smartphone or whatever to use this light with my smartphone. So this is the light. Sounds pretty big. I can also put my hand inside it, so this sounds pretty cool. Let's see instead the mic, how it is, and of course I will try it together with you. So let's see how it is inside. So here there is the user manual, and here you have the microphone. So let me take it outside so that you can see it. Looks pretty professional. Then there is some kind of thing to put in front of it, so that I can finally can speak without noise or whatever. I guess it goes like this, and then I have a beautiful voice. So let me try these gadgets now. I'm very curious. So this is the new mic. I think it sounds a bit cleaner, so it's pretty cool. It's not like mind-blowing or changes everything, but it's cleaner, I can have a more professional look, professional sound. Also, when you see something like this in a video, you immediately understand that the YouTuber is super cool, so I will be much better with it, I think. And so this is instead the other gadget. I look like a wizard. So there is also a nice remote. So let's see. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so I think that the light is quite enough with this. I can do videos at whatever time of the day and the night. So I can also regulate the amount of lighting. So I guess the idea is that I can put it like this way. And yeah, let me try another mode. Can change from different tonalities, and wow. So I think that I can do videos at whatever time of the day and the night with this. It's a lot of light, really a lot. So it looks like this can be the next setup for the upcoming months. Of course, probably have to do still something for the background, make something cooler with the green screen or whatever. But I think that this way I can still already offer a better service with a better audio and more lighting when I do videos during the night, and so they don't look like having incandescent light or whatever. And probably have to play a bit with this gadget to have to find, you know, the right parameters, the right settings to shoot the best videos possible. But I'm really happy of having made these purchases, and I really thanks again you, my Patron supporters, for letting me be able to improve my service. And also there's something else coming in the next month, so stay tuned on this. And thanking you all for this. If you want to help me in improving my channel even more, please support me on Patreon. You find the link in the description of the video. And meanwhile, I thank you for watching. Have a great day in RMBR. Bye bye.